Introduction about this course. Let's start by understanding the course content, the various sections, and the outcomes. First off, we will start by looking at what are templates, how we can use them, how we can design them for our personal gain, as well as potentially use them in professional workplace dashboards. To do this, we will look at drawing in Tableau. So when you're talking about bespoke or custom templates, typically you are trying to produce an output that is on the exotic side. So typically we will need to draw these out. And our templates will act as a reusable item that we could apply to any of our dashboards. To do this, we will need to quickly revise table calculations. This will not be a full and in-depth tutorial on table calculations, but we will talk through some of the table calculations that we will be using. As it is me, I will be using data densification techniques. This will give us a mixture between complexities done in Tableau as well as complexities in the data source itself. Throughout this course, we will be exploring various Tableau techniques, from drawing data densification, table calculations, and the like. We'll also be doing a little bit of mathematics as well and exploring some of that. And in a nutshell, this follows my end-to-end process for designing a template that can be used to generate repeatable bespoke data visualizations time and time again. So this is in a nutshell what this course is about. Hopefully you'll have a lot of fun, you'll pick up several things. But if you're ready, let's move on to the next lesson.